ఇవే కదా మనం చూసాము అవునా. సో this we are calling as a square root or root. We are calling this as a square root or root. The value of this root is 1 by 2. The value of root is 1 by 2. So how it will be 1 by root, I mean 1 by 2, the value will be, for example, if I have written root 2, if I have written square root of 2 means I can write this as 2 power of 1 by 2. If I am writing root 2 means it means that 2 power of 1 by 2. So suppose if I am writing only 2 means it is 1, 2 power of 1. But in case of a 1, we are not writing anything as a 1. If the power is 1, if the power is 1, we are not writing 1. Okay. Suppose if the power is minus 1, then we'll write as a minus 1. Minus 1 means we'll write as 1 by 2. Okay. So in simple terms, if anything is written as root 5, it is nothing but 5 to the power of 1 by 2. Okay. So if the question is, if the formula is, we have one formula, root a into root a. Listen properly, Amma. This is, I'm revising everything. This is already taught in the class, right? So I'm revising everything from the beginning. So root a into root a. Root a into root a means is always a. Root a into a is a. So a may be any number. A may be any number. For example, if it is root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 means 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. For example, if the question is root 5 into root 5. Root 5 into root 5 is 5. Root 7 into root 7. Root 7 into root 7 is again 7. Okay. So if anything in the root and it is twice, if it is 2 times, for example, if the question is root x into root x. Root x into root x is x. Simple. If 2 times is there, means just simply you write the same value without the root. For example, if the question is root x into root x into root x. 3 root x are there. So according to the formula, if anything in the root twice means 2 times, then we will write as 1 time, right? So here root x into root x is x. This will remain same. Will not going to write anything. Will not going to change. Root x into root x is x. But root x, only one root x is there. So we cannot convert. So we'll write the same thing as it is. Okay. Then, for example, if the question is root 2 into root 3 into root 2 into root 3. My question is root 2 into root 3 into root 2 into root 3. So find the like terms. Root 2, root 2, both are same. Right at one side, root 2 into root 2. Then again root 3 into root 3 at one side. Root 3 into root 3. Then root 2 into root 2 is 2. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. So question is 2 root 2 into 3 root 2. Question is 2 root 2 into 3 root 2. This is a number. This is also a number. So I can multiply 2 3s are 6. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 6 2s are 12. For example, if the question is root 5, 3 root 5 into 2 root 2. So in the beginning, in the formula, what I said, we have a formula. The formula is if root a into root a into root a means we can write as a, right? Root a into root a is a. But we don't have this formula. We don't have like root 5 here. The root 5 is there. The 5 is there. Here 2 is there. The numbers are different. The numbers are different. I cannot multiply. Using this concept, root a into root a means I cannot write this as a, right? So if you are getting this type of question, just you multiply 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, and the values which are inside root are different. Then you have to multiply 5 2s are 10. You have to multiply the inside values because we have a formula root a into root b means root of ab. Root a into root b is root of ab. If different values are there in the root, if different values, different numbers are there in the root, you have to multiply simply. Suppose I'll give one more question for you for your better understanding. For example, root 7 into root 3. Both are different numbers. Root 7 and root 3. Both the numbers are different in the root. So what I'll do, 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. Suppose our question is like 3 into root 3 into 5 into root 7. 3 into root 3, 5 into root 7. Is there anything, a unique number, a root value? No. So what you have to do, first you have to multiply 3 into 5. 3 into 5 is 15. 3 5s are 15. And now the values are different here, right? So root 21. 7 3s are 21. So you're multiplying 3 5s are 15 and again 3 7s are 21. Any doubts in this case? So for example, if the question is 2 root 2 whole square. If the question is 2 root 2 whole square is nothing but the power is 2. If the power is 2 means you have to write 2 times, right? 2 root 2 into 2 root 2. Am I right? 2 root 2 into 2 root 2. So 2 2s are 4. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 4 2s are 8. Any doubt in this? So question is 3 root 3 whole square. 3 root 3 whole square. So I'll write 3 root 3 into 3 root 3. Right? 3 3s are 9. Again root 3 into root 3, 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 9 3s are 27. So previously in root 2 into root 2 is 2, root 3 into root 3 is 3, because we have formula root a into root a is nothing but a. If it is the different values, first is root a into root a is a, and again root a into root b is root ab, right? So is the concept cheppanu. Now I'm explaining the formula of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Next formula is a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Right? The third formula is a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. These three we call as an identities. So this is the first identity, second identity, and third identity. Now I'm going to explain you using this formula. The first question is root 3 plus root 2 whole square. Root 3 plus root 2 whole square. If you compare with the a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square, the value of a is root 3, the value of b is root 2. So a plus b whole square formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Am I right? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So the value of a, what is the value of a? A is root 3. The value of b is root 2. Am I right? So this is first value is a, the second value is b. I'm substituting the value of a is root 3 square, the value of b is root 2 square plus 2a is again root 3, again b is root 2, then root 3 square. Root 3 square means root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Again root 2 square. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So plus 2. Then again 2. Root 3 into root 2. Root 3 into root 2 is root 6. So 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 2 root 6. Right? So one more question, Amma. 2 plus root 3 whole square. 2 plus root 3 whole square. Again, this is in the form of a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is nothing but a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay. So the value of a is 2, 2 square. Again, b. What is b? Root 3. Right. This is a. A is 2. B is root 3 plus 2 into a. A is 2. B is root 3. Then 2 square. 2 square is 2 to the 4. Again root 3 square. Root 3 square means root 3 into root 3 is 3 plus 2 to the 4. 4 root 3. Then 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 4 root 3. Am I right? So if the question is root 2 minus root 3 whole square. Root 2 minus root 3 whole square. So this is in the form of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Then the value of a. What is a? A is root 2 square plus b. What is b? B is root 3 square minus 2 into root 2 into root 3. Right? Root 2 square. Root 2 square is nothing but root 2 into root 2 is 2. Again root 3 square means root 3 into root 3 is 3. Again 2. Root 2 into root 3. So root 6. So 2 plus 3 is 5 minus 2 root 6. Okay? Any doubts? So the question is 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. So this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b is nothing but a square minus b square. So the value of a is 2. So 2 square. A square kada. A means 2 square. Again in the place of b is root 3. So root 3 square. 2 square is 2 to the 4. Root 3 square means root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay now. So next question, 5 plus root 2 whole square, that is 5 plus root 2 into 5 minus root 2. Again, this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b. So I can write this as a square minus b square. So the value of a into what is the value of a? A is 5. So 5 square minus b. What is the value of b? Root 2 square. A plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. The value of a is 5. The value of b is root 2. So 5 square is 25. Root 2 square is 223. So we'll move to the next part, rationalization part. So question 1 by 2 plus root 3 and only. 1 by 2 plus root 3. So ఎప్పుడైనా కానీ ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్ కనిపించినప్పుడు ఎప్పుడైనా ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్ కనిపించిన 1 by 2 plus root 3 అని కనిపించినప్పుడు 1 by 2 plus root 3 into here the denominator is plus. Here the denominator is plus. You are multiplying 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. So if the denominator is plus, you have to multiply both numerator and denominator with minus symbol. If the denominator is minus, then you have to multiply both numerator and denominator with plus symbol. అర్థమైందా? వన్స్ అగైన్ మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నా, 2 ప్లస్ రూట్ 3 ప్లస్ ఉండేటప్పుడు మైనస్ తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి, మైనస్ ఉంటే ప్లస్ ని మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. దిస్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ రాషనలైజేషన్ అంటారు. రాషనలైజింగ్ ద డినామినేటర్ అంటారు. రాషనలైజేషన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ అని కూడా అనొచ్చు. దెన్ 1 into 2 minus root 3, 1 minus 2 minus root 3 అంటే సేమ్ వస్తుంది. దెన్ a plus b into a minus b. You can see the same numbers with the different symbols, right? A plus b into a minus b. 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3, right? Then 2 minus root 3 by a plus b into a minus b. And what is the formula? A square minus b square. Antena? A plus b into a minus b means a square minus b square. Then 2 minus root 3 by 2 square. What is 2 square? 4. Minus root 3 square. Root 3 square. What is root 3 square? 3. Then 2 minus root 3 by 4 minus 3 is 1. So what is the answer here? 2 minus root. Okay now, any doubts? Suppose the question is 1 by root 5 plus root 3. 1 by root 5 plus root 3. So 1 by root 5 plus root 3. Here positive symbol is there. So I have to multiply with negative symbol. Root 5 minus root 3 into root 5 minus root 3, right? Denominator is plus. I'm multiplying with the minus symbol. Then 1 into this value, again you will get the same value. Root 5 minus root 3 by a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. Root 5 plus root 3 into root 5 minus root 3. Then this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So root 5 minus root 3 by a plus b into a minus b. What is the value of a here? Root 5 square minus root 3 square. Okay now, then root 5 minus root 3, root 5 square. Root 5 square is 5. Root 3 square is 3. So you are getting root 5 minus root 3 by 2. So this is the answer. Okay now, any doubts? Suppose the question is x is equal to 3 plus root 2. X is equal to 3 plus root 2. Find x plus 1 by x. X is equal to 3 plus root 2. Find x plus 1 by x. So already x is there. We have to find 1 by x. So I'll write 1 by x, 1 by x, 1 by, what is x value? 3 plus root 2, 3 plus root 2. Then denominator is 3 plus root 2 is there. 1 by 3 plus root 2. So I'm multiplying this denominator 3 minus root 2 by 3 minus root 2. So plus is there. I'm multiplying both numerator and denominator with negative symbol. Then 1 into 3 minus root 2 is 3 minus root 2 by a plus b into a minus b, that is 3 plus root 2 into 3 minus root 2. Then 3 plus root 2, a plus b into a minus b. By a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, that is 3 square minus root 2 square. So 3 minus root 2 by 3 square is 9. Root 2 square is root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 3 minus root 2 by 9 minus 2 is 7. So this is the answer. But what you have to find, our question is x plus 1 by x. This is the value of 1 by x. Am I right? The value which you got is, this is the value of 1 by x. 1 by x is equal to 3 minus root 2 by 7. Our question is x plus 1 by x, right? So what is this x? X is given as 3 plus root 2. 3 plus root 2 plus 1 by x is 3 minus root 2 by 7. There is no denominator, right? So I'll multiply 7 into 7 to make same denominators, right? So 7 into 3 plus root 2, 7 ones are 7, 3 minus root 2 by 7, 7 threes are 21, 7 root 2 plus 3 minus root 2 by 7. Okay, now you can add the numbers. 21 plus 3 is 24. 7 root 2 minus root 2 is plus 6 root 2 by 7. So this is x plus 1 by x. Any doubts, Amma? Just have solved the x 1 by x value. After getting the value of 1 by x, I have added 1 by x to the x value. Okay.